Hey, it's me again. I just wanted to do a quick tutorial on an ad placement, on the notifications and the amount of communication you can expect after an ad placement. This is a compilation of scenarios, so I understand that the days and the ads are not going to line up. I just want you to see how this can play out so you can be prepared for communications and how it's going to be when you do an ad placement. So as you can see, starting here on this day, we did an ad placement scenario, and I just want you to see how many notifications I received that day. And forgive me while the kids chirp in the background because we are May 28th, 2020. So this is peak COVID-19. So I believe that we have passed into yesterday now, but that's a lot. That's a lot of notifications. When you do an ad placement, it can be very overwhelming, but I'm going to show you a quick trick to help you keep track of these notifications if one of them does slip your mind. If you're with a customer and you forget to go back and check a message in real time, or where people are replying to comments on a posted ad, where to find everything that's been placed. So for this business, we did an ad placement yesterday. It was a light ad placement. It was a video ad placement. We have all of these lovely notifications here that'll let you know your statistics for this. So let's look at this first. We had 3,259 people reached. And for that post, most of them did stop and watch the video for about 24 seconds. So that's pretty good. Let me look at what's going on here. So with these shares, in this instance, we were looking for a reply for this question. But here are all the different shares. Here's all the interactions. You can go right here to harvest your leads. That's in a different video, but these are the people that liked your post. And then moving down a little bit farther, you can interact and reply with any comments. And that's all I've got for you today for this particular tutorial. I just want to make sure that you understand, even though it's overwhelming, everything is going to be all in one place moving forward. Thank you, and I hope you have a great day.